Hello friends, welcome to lesson 60. Let's prepare our right hand by bringing our thumb to string number 5, index to string number 3, middle to string number 2, and ring finger to string number 1. Make sure that your fingers are curved and that your wrist is not touching the guitar at all. Then bring the fingers a little bit hovering over the strings, keep them close to them, and now we have our right hand ready. Make sure that it is relaxed, you don't have to tense it. Left hand, we're going to prepare it by bringing finger 1 to string number 2, fret number 1, and finger 3 to string number 5, fret number 3. And we begin measure number 1 by plucking simultaneously strings 5 and 1. Then string number 2 with middle finger and string number 3 with index. Then again, 2 with middle finger. So it's P-A-M-I-M. Let's see the rhythm with a countdown. 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and. To go into measure number 2, we are going to bring finger number 2 to string number 5, fret number 2, as I remove finger number 3, and finger number 4 goes to string number 2, fret number 3. We're going to pluck string 5 with the thumb and string number 2 with the ring finger at the same time. Then we bring finger 3 to string number 4, fret number 3, and we pluck string number 4 with index and string number 3 with middle finger. Twice. Let's see measure number 2 once again. 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and. To go into measure number 3, we are going to remove the fingers that we have on the strings as we bring finger 1 to string 1, fret 1. We're also going to need open strings 4, 3, and 2. We play string 4 and 1 at the same time, thumb and ring fingers. Middle finger plays the second string and index the third string. Then we bring finger 4 to string number 2, fret number 3, and we pluck it with the middle finger. Let's see the right hand fingers once again. P and A, M, I, M. 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and. To go into measure number 4, we are going to bring finger 3 to string 5, fret 3. We remove finger 4 and we bring finger 1 to string number 2. We play string 5 and 1 at the same time with thumb and ring fingers, and then at the same time index plays string number 3 and middle finger plays string number 2 twice. Let's see measure 4 with the countdown. 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and. To go into measure 5, we're going to keep all our fingers right as we have them, and we are going to play string number 5 and string number 1 at the same time with thumb and ring fingers. Middle finger plays string number 2, index string number 3, and then middle again, string number 2. Let's see the right hand fingers again. P-A-M-I-M. 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and. To go into measure number 6, we are going to remove finger 3 as we play string number 5 open with thumb. Finger 2 goes to string number 3, fret number 2. We pluck it with the index finger. Finger 1 still presses string number 2, fret number 1. We play it with the middle finger. And then we are going to need finger 1 on string number 3, fret number 1. Plucking it with the index finger on the right hand. Let's see that measure once again. P-I-M-I. Let's have the countdown. 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and. Play measure number 7, we bring finger 3 to string number 6, fret number 3. We play that note by itself with the thumb, open third with index, open first with ring finger. And then fingers 2 and 4, we bring them at the same time, finger number 2 to string number 5, fret number 2, and finger number 4 to string number 2, fret number 3. We pluck them together with thumb and middle fingers. Let's see measure number 7 once again. P, I, A, P, M. 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and then to go into measure number 8, we're going to bring finger 3 to string number 5, fret number 3, and finger 1 to string number 2, fret number 1. We remove fingers 2 and 4, and we play at the same time strings 5 and 2 with thumb and middle fingers, and then string 5 by itself. We make sure to have a full rest before continuing to the second half of the piece. Measure number 9 starts with open 4th and string number 1 on fret number 1. At the same time, thumb and ring fingers. Open 3rd with index, string number 1 again with ring finger, and string number 3 again with index. Let's see that again. P, A, I, A, and I. 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and. To go into measure number 10, we're going to bring finger 2 to string number 4, fret number 2, and finger 4 to string number 1, fret number 3. We are going to pluck strings 4 and 1 at the same time with thumb and ring fingers. And we bring finger 1 to string number 2. We pluck string number 3 with index and string number 2 with middle fingers. Twice. Let's see measure 10 again. 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and. And then to go into measure number 11, we are going to bring our fingers 2 and 4 from where we have them, string 4 and 1 string above. Finger 2 goes to string number 5, and finger 4 goes to string number 2. We plug them at the same time with thumb and middle fingers. Index plays the 3rd, middle plays the 2nd again, and then index plays the 3rd once again. Let's see the right hand fingering. PM, I, M, I. 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and. To go into measure number 12, we bring finger 3 to string number 5, fret number 3. We remove fingers 2 and 4. We play string 5 and 1 at the same time, thumb and ring fingers, as we bring finger 1 to string number 2, fret number 1, and we pluck string number 3 with index and string number 2 with middle fingers. Twice. Let's see right hand fingers. PA, IM, 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and. To play measure number 13, we are going to keep our left hand fingers exactly as we have them, and we play strings number 5 and 1 at the same time, string number 2, string number 3, and string number 2 again. Let's repeat the fingers of the right hand. PA, M, I, and M. 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and. And then measure 14, we remove finger 3 as we play open 5th string. We bring finger 2 to string number 3, fret number 2, and pluck it with index finger. We play string number 2 with middle finger. We go with finger 1 to string number 3, fret number 1. We pluck it with index. Let's see that again. P, I, M, I. 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and. To go into measure 15, we bring finger 3 to string number 5, fret number 3, and we pluck it with the thumb. Open 3rd with index, open 1st with ring finger. We lower at the same time, if possible, fingers 2 and 4. Finger 2 goes to string number 5, fret number 2, and finger 4 on string number 2, fret number 3. As we remove finger 3, we pluck simultaneously strings 5 and 2 with thumb and middle fingers. Let's see measure 15 again. P, I, A, PM. 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and to finish the lesson, we go with finger 3 to string number 5, fret number 3, as we remove fingers 2 and 4, and we bring finger 1 to string number 2, fret number 1, and we pluck them at the same time, strings 5 and 2, with thumb and middle fingers. And finally, thumb plays once again string number 5. And then we make sure to make a full quarter note rest, and now we are done. I hope this video has been useful for you. As usual, you'll find a link to a play-along video in the description box below. If you have any questions, comments, or suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. I'll see you on the next one, and always remember to enjoy the process.